Okay, children. So, have you watched my video total which I have sent to you?
Sir, I am watching, but I haven't got subcell video. Shape
Okay.
of subcells.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
I didn't get the video.
First of all, again, requesting all children, please join in that group so that I can send the material easily to you.
Sir,
Everybody has added.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
no, actually, I am not.
How many of you have still now pending?
Sir, I asked you
Sir,
to
I-
join me.
8374147264. Please note it down and send your name and admission number to me.
Yes, sir. Can you like? I'll just message my admission number to you. Like I have your
Admission number and name.
number. Okay.
Okay, and write in MPC or BPC.
Okay.
Right? It is must. It is must. Children, don't forget it.
Okay.
Because every day I'm sending assignments, work every day.
Yes, sir.
Have everybody noted down?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I will not repeat again and again every day.
But sir, there is no topic. There is no video on the topic of resonance and bond order.
Yes, I have sent. I have not uploaded.
No, sir, you have not uploaded.
Okay, I might have forgotten.
Sir,
I will
I
upload.
sent.
Okay, not now. If you send now also, I will accept after 2 hours because continuously classes are there. Hello.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I'm the coordinator of Kalani branch. Here I found one admission number, but not name is not showing. Sir, can you please confirm it? 1767682.
Tell me the admission number, ma'am.
1767682.
176762. Okay. Next.
82.
Okay, 82. Beta, whose number this one? 176782. Hello, children. Don't waste time. I think, ma'am, today he or she has not joined the group till now, class.
Okay, sir, but it is showing. Please confirm it later. Okay, sir.
It is showing that participant means joined the class. Oh, wait.
Okay, sir.
Whose admission number 176782? Please respond. Tell me.
Whose number this one? Whose number this one?
Ankita Das? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Whose number is this
Please
one?
unmute the participant.
176782.
Sir.
It is you are Ankita Das. It's your number. Hello.
Sir, please mute all the participants, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I unmuted.
Yes, sir. There is 1767682. Now also it is showing, but there is no name. Later, after the class, you just confirm it. Who is this? From which
Okay.
branch? Okay, sir.
Okay. Children, please note it down this admission number and raise your hand whose it is. Please raise your hand, respond. Don't waste time. 1767682. Please respond immediately. Sir, he is in down. One, seven, six. 176. 176. 676. Unmute yourself, beta. 1767682. Unmute yourself. Hello. Hello, unmute this number. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Actually, are you listening me?
Yes, sir. Say.
This person is not unmuting himself. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw him.
Yeah. So why he's not responding? We have to know. There is no name also. Okay.
Okay, sir. You just you can start your class. I send this number to the group. Okay, sir.
Right. This correct admission number is correct, no?
Okay, sir. I will find it that his admission number is correct or not,
Okay. Right. Right.
because the name is not showing. That's why I'm confusing.
If the name is not showing, confuse means that it may not, means some another people also can join.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So immediately take action, ma'am. Please correlate with the this thing, and either you confirm it or otherwise you delete it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. You continue with your class, sir.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Beta, who is this one? Children, who is this 1767682? Please raise your hand. One seven six. Okay, Seer left. Right, right, right. Yes, good. Nobody can enter in a proper way, beta. Means it should be in a proper authorized way. Okay, right. Children, today we are going to discuss, okay, a very important theory. Okay, that theory name is, okay, VBT. Full name is valence bond theory. Valence bond theory. Why valence? Because use of which electron, beta?
Valence electron.
Use of valence electron. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And this theory was especially given for covalent bond formation, children. Covalent bond formation.
Okay, sir.
Covalent bond formation. Okay, covalent bond formation. Okay. The next thing is, and in covalent bond formation, you know, a very important term is related, that is sharing.
Sharing.
Yes, sir. Sharing.
Sharing of electron. Now, sharing of electron will take according to orbital wise. So now, standard name of sharing of electron is I'm introducing first time, and that is known as overlapping of uh,
Electrons.
valence shell orbitals, children. Orbitals. Because how they will share? So because you know that electrons are existing in which place? Orbitals.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So standard name of sharing of electron is overlapping of valence shell orbitals. You have to remember from today onwards. Are you understanding my problem?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And before that, you should know what are the types of orbitals, children. What are the types? So you know, till now I told you S,
It's
P,
PDF.
D, and F.
PDF.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why the name came S? Because of sharp. Actually, when we are analyzing energy wise in spectroscopy is a process. Spectroscopic method. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
So all orbitals are associated with energy. So the energy which when we got a sharp line, so that was named as S orbital. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And P was named for polarized. One line was there which was not 100% covalent, something polarized. That's why its name is P orbital. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In spectroscopic method. And for D, diffused line came, children. Diffused. Okay. And these were fundamentals. Fundamentals. That's why F, E, P, and S came. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Don't think that S came because of the S orbitals. Means spherical type of orbitals.
Sir, what is about D?
D is diffused. Okay, diffuse means not having much clarity, because S orbital was having sharp clarity.
Sir, clarity means?
Okay, sir.
Clarity means when you see this line is clear or not to you.
Yes, sir, clear.
Sometime you respond no, that the screen is blurred.
Yes, sir.
That is known as diffused.
Sir, S.
Okay.
Did you understand now?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
S. S.
Yes, yes. So that is the spectroscopic method. Don't enter into it. Just I told you that how this name is generated. There is a big story, but our time is to discuss something more than that. That is known as valence bond theory. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you till now you know what is bond. Bond is a kind of attraction, and the kind of attraction is occurring due to sharing of electron or overlapping of valence shell orbital. It will be discussed in valence bond theory. Okay, children?
Sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, actually due to network problem, I had left automatically. Sir, can you just repeat it?
Any one or two people can come, beta, so that I can talk, because I have to look after the time also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Right. So see, there are few information. Please note it down fast so that I can move forward. Okay. sometime they may ask, okay, generally they will not ask the name and all, who gave this theory and all. But anyhow, if they ask, just you say that it was proposed by, okay, very important name, okay, but don't go through this name, Heitler, Hitler. But this was not that Hitler, that cruel man, okay, this is scientist name Hitler.
Heitler.
Heit, Hitler. Okay.
Okay,
Hitler
sir.
and London.
London.
Yeah, don't think that it is only the name of place. It is a name of place also, children.
Huh?
A name of person also, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
In India, it is generally don't generally have such type of thing, but in foreign it happens. Have you seen anybody's name is Kolkata?
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
No, okay. That's why. If somebody has Kolkata Kumari, then we have to name them like this only. What is your name? Kolkata Kumari.
Sir, I have heard Friday.
So, did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So, proposed by Hitler and London. Okay. Next, some information I have given. Okay. Including this VBT and one more orbital which is coming, that is MOT. VBT and molecular orbital theory. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Now we are learning VBT and advanced version is MOT. Advanced version is MOT. Valence bond theory, okay, and MOT. MOT means molecular orbital theory. This is higher version. I will explain you. Just I am introducing that VBT and MOT. Okay.
Okay.
Better to write and. Okay, based on, this is also based on one theory, children. Quantum, okay, quantum mechanical principle.
Sir, quantum mechanics is a separate chapter.
Yeah, principle. Yes, it is a separate chapter. I will explain you, okay?
Okay, sir.
Quantum mechanical principle. Next one is, what information I am giving you, because sometime in objective type of question, they ask memory based question, okay?
Yes, sir.
So at that time, this type of information will help you. Okay, like this name.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Generally, they should not ask memory-based question. They should ask skilled and some conceptual based. But sometimes they ask, so don't get confused. You should think that, yes, I have heard such type of names.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Next one is, yeah. And more contribution came from contribution also done by Pauling and Slatters also. Slatters. These are some scientists. I have written all the names. Slatter. Did you remember Slatter's rules?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have made a very nice video. Okay, many people has liked it. Slatter's rule. So Slatter was also Pauling and Slatter. So how many names?
4 names.
Hitler, London, P and S. Helps.
Helps.
HLPS. Miss it E. Helps. Okay, beta. These are the
Yes,
names.
sir.
Helps. Did you by name? you can make out. Helps in covalent bond formation. Okay, children.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
How many people helped in formation of covalent bond?
Helps.
Four
Four
Helps
people.
only. Helps only. Okay. Hitler, London, Pauli, and Slater.
later.
So okay. So, do you know what was the main concept? Main concept. So see, I am writing with yellow color. Till now, those who have not understand, okay, not paid attention, there is no problem. But now you have to understand. And before that, children, I have told you several times, you should know orbital's nature, children. Orbital's nature. When it is filled with 2 electrons, we can say that it is paired. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Paired. And paired electrons generally play a role of lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons. Did you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
If any possibility, you please ask me. Don't keep any doubt in your mind. See, I have unmuted
Yes, sir,
everybody.
please.
I have unmuted everybody, and see how openly I am talking with everybody. Everybody. Okay. So that's why utilize this time and maintain background noise.
Maintain.
Maintain background noise. Background noise means surrounding noise. If some more voice is there, disturbance is there, immediately mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but many of the people, popular foreign actor have put their daughter's name as India. Yes, Harshit, I know. I know that our Indian names are nowadays becoming familiar in foreign countries. Okay. So they love Indian names. So still, so I am proud of Indian names. Don't worry. So in coming after some 50 to 70 years, some rules will come in the name of India as well. Harshit law, okay. Then Shruti concept, Rhythm formula, okay. Reena principle. Did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
One student has written there the popularity of Indian names in foreign countries. Okay, anyhow. Don't discuss unnecessary things, beta. We don't have much time. See, this is vacant orbital. This is vacant orbital.
Yes, sir.
Vacant orbital. And this is known as, children, unpaired orbital. I think it is this. All these 3 phenomena is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, now a very important news which I am going to give you, that is the breaking news of today, is according to these all great people, okay, they are telling that every unpaired orbital, has tendency, they have some expectation, they want to do what they want to do. Every unpaired orbital has a tendency to get paired up, by overlapping with each other. Every unpaired orbital has tendency, every unpaired orbital, okay, every unpaired, shall I give some more clarity? Every unpaired orbital, see, every unpaired orbital of two different atoms. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Not two different, better in different also I will use, because I am very, very specific towards my language. Different will make again confusion. I want to tell you separate atom, separate. Did you understand? Separate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, not same atom, separate atom. Separate atom. Did you understand?
Sir,
Yes.
Okay.
sir,
Why I have removed different? I have given more privilege to separate. Means suppose this is hydrogen and this is hydrogen. Somebody people will say, no sir, these both the atoms are not different. Exactly, they are not different. I am telling that the atom should be separate. Two separate atom must be there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
children.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, if we restrict to only different, then every time only hetero molecule will form. Formation of homo molecule will not take place. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see how specific I am in my language. So you have to remember overlapping with overlapping with each other. Overlapping with each other. This overlapping is nothing, I told you. Overlapping is the standard name for sharing of electrons.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
for only covalent bond, na?
Who asked me again and again? Valence bond theory used for valence covalent bond formation only. See, I have given the breaking news over here. This is the topic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So same thing, don't repeat. Okay, now, because now sometimes many people will think that means what is happening. If you are sitting in a restaurant and having dinner, then you do and enjoy the dinner. Don't every time ask the guest, are we in the restaurant only? No. Hey, after again 5 minutes, are we in restaurant only? No. It is not police station. No. It is not airport. No. Am I in restaurant? What is this? Am I got? Hello. Am I
Yes, sir.
successful to transfer my concept?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. It is for covalent bond formation means it is for covalent bond formation. Covalent bond formation means covalent bond formation. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
yeah. So now other than time, don't ask. Okay, we are in restaurant. Okay, enjoy the food, beta. Enjoy the food. Okay, enjoy the party. So this was the important line. Every unpaired orbital of two separate atoms, not same atom. Not same atom. Did you understand? Same atom means, suppose this is oxygen, this is lone pair, this is lone pair. There is one or unpaired orbital here, one or unpaired orbital. These two unpaired orbital will not overlap with each other, beta. How they can overlap with each other? Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
They can overlap with some another atom like hydrogen, like this. So same orbital cannot overlap, sir. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, bond. What do you mean by bond? Bond is a point of attraction who will bind two particles to each other. Two particles to each other.
Each other.
Remember the fundamental thing which I have discussed during the definition of bond formation. Bond, I told you, a kind of attraction between the two particles.
Yes.
Bond, a kind of attraction. It is a universal name, not only for particles. In the life, in our social life also, we use this bond. There is a bond, there is a tie-up between these two companies. Bond, agreement, bond. People are selling their bonds. Okay. So many things are there. Agreement is they are bonded with a perfect agreement like this. Marriage ceremony is also
Sir-
known as bond between two people.
Sir, bond is like connection.
Bond is like a connection. Bond is like a joining. Bond is a Fevikwik. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you want some more lower word? Did you
No,
understand?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
In the invitation also they are giving. In Hindi generally they will write. In Bengali they will write a bandhan, vaibhavik bandhan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हिंदी में बंधन. अरे बंधन का मतलब है तो बॉन्ड है भैया. केमिस्ट्री में स्टाइल है. समझ गए बात को?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
सर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो कभी भी बंधन होता है, शादी ब्याह का बंधन होता है, तो कम से कम बंधन के लिए कितने लोग चाहिए? दो. कभी देखा एक आदमी खुदे के साथ विवाह कर लिया?
नहीं.
तब आ जाइएगा. मेरे से ही शादी है भैया. आ जाइएगा पार्टी में. separate people is required. I think my concept is very clear to you.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Atom can
Sir,
bond.
concept is very much clear, sir.
Yeah. This is A and this is B. Can this take place? Can A bond with B? Can it bond with 2?
Yes, sir.
Can it bond with 3? Why no answer is coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
They
sir.
can bond. If they have capacity, they can bond.
Yes, sir.
Can they form like this? Can they have 4 bonds?
Yes, sir.
Central
Yes, sir.
Yes, according to the ability, capacity, situation. Okay, like this. It happens sometime. Have you seen the movie of that Kapil symbol, Kapil show?
Yes, sir.
Firangi.
Kapil. One show is coming.
Oh.
No? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many of you are watching that, or might have watched 1 or twice?
Sir,
No
I watch
response.
every episode, sir.
Are you know Kapil Sharma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That Kapil Sharma show.
Yeah, he made one film or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
किसको
sir.
किसको प्यार करूं?
What was the किसको?
प्यार
किस
करूं?
किसको प्यार करूं?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
then unfortunately what happened? This is Kapil Sharma,
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
and by mistake, by default, situation took place or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then how difficult he faced maintain the relation?
Yes, sir.
Did you remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So situation compel us to do something else, and that's why this is the central atom and the surrounding atom. Anyhow, so now our main information is every unpaired orbital has orbitals of 2 separate atoms has a tendency to get pair up by overlapping with each other. Okay. Please install
Okay.
this line in your brain. Please install this app. Install karo jaldi se. This. Please install this app.
हो गया sir.
Download it.
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay, next. Okay. So I have given you condition for unpaired and unpaired. Okay. Condition applied. Note. Such overlapping can take place between vacant orbital and lone pair orbital. Did you understand, children? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So overlapping can take place between two things. Two unpaired orbitals. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Two unpaired orbital, or one orbital should have completely filled, that is known as, and one orbital should be vacant orbital. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here, if overlapping take place, we will call them as covalent bond. And if overlapping take place, this is known as dative bond.
Coordinate.
Dative bond, or it is also known as.
Coordinate bond.
Coordinate.
I think this is clear.
Yes, sir.
After formation, suppose this is of A, this is of A, this is of A, this is of B. So A bond A, we can say like A bond B. But here, because both the electron is given by A, we will write the arrow like this. We will write the arrow like this. Okay, children?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think now you are getting. And why they are overlapping? To get paired up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To become stable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why they are doing this such type of activities. Stability
Okay, sir.
is the main factor. Stability. Anyhow, next one is, so till now you know the shapes of s orbital. This is S, this is P, this is D, or F is also something like this, which is little bit complex. So just you see, this is S orbital, this is P, this is D, this is F. S is spherical in shape, P is dumbbell in shape, T is double dumbbell in shape, F is some more. Okay, that is why it is what we say, more complicated. So anyhow, these are the orbitals. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, then if I want to make them unpaired, we have to put one unpaired electron in each everybody. This is the situation. All now
Sir,
all
it's
orbital.
53.
Pardon?
It's 53, sir.
Time is 53.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. So how this took place? Why all of a sudden the time graph went to the peak? Okay, so children, I will continue this in the next class.
Evening class.
Not evening class.
What's the next class?
Another, yeah. Children,
Tomorrow.
up to some time, BiPC and MPC, more or less the same concept is going on. Only the depth of the questions level, okay, is increasing. Okay, so, and there means difference. So that I will give you separately the assignment. Did you understand, children?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So I will continue this same concept with BiPC. Slowly I will, because whatever the time which I gave you, so I will give you a brief introduction, and again I will start from here, so that when you start watching this video, so you will feel that some continuation is going on. Did you understand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. That's why I'm asking you to watch my video for 4 hours. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Every day I'm uploading 4 videos for you, children, for you. From 9 to 4, if you watch, then your per day information is getting inside. Okay, did you understand my concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is your planning. This is your planning. Don't miss any video. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.